In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can build a reusable, professional email that you can send to your leads in just a few seconds. First, open Zoho CRM and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main CRM screen, look towards the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. This is your setup or settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup area where all of your configuration options live. Inside the setup page, you'll see different sections for customizing your CRM. Look for the section labeled email. This is where Zoho groups all of its email related settings, including templates, signatures, and configuration. Click on email to open that section. Next, you want to move into the customization area for your email settings. Within the email section, you should see a link or tab related to customization or email compose settings. Click on that to access the tools that let you define how your emails will look and behave. Once you're in the customization area, find and click on templates. This will take you to the main templates page, where you can see any existing email templates that have already been created and manage them as needed. On the templates page, you'll find an option to create a new one. Look for a button that says New Template and click it. This is the starting point for building your new email template from scratch or from a predefined bulk design. After clicking New Template, you'll likely be guided through a short setup process. You may see a screen where you can choose the module the template is for, such as leads. Once you've confirmed those basic options, click Next to proceed to the template gallery. Now you'll see a selection of template designs you can use. Browse through the gallery and pick a layout that best matches the type of emails you send. For example, follow-ups, introductions, or announcements. Click on the template you want to use to select it. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be able to customize the subject line, edit the text, add merge fields like the lead's name, and adjust formatting, images, and links. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, save your template. It will now be available whenever you compose an email from